outside because it's early. It is, what, 5 a.m. Central Time. We are on our way to Colorado Springs, actually. We're going to be staying near Garden of the Gods. We're going to go some hiking, some zip lining, some other adventurous nonsense. So we will talk to you guys once we make a quick stop. But we wanted to let you know where we were headed this morning. So if you like adventure videos from us, you love traveling videos from us, because we're back to traveling, give us a thumbs up, go ahead and subscribe, and we'll see you guys when we get to another stop. So we're in Topeka, and we just passed the Capitol building. We are super loud muscle car. We are a little less than halfway there. Okay, not even close. But anyway, we're stopping for gas and to get something to eat because nobody ate before we left. So I don't remember where we are. We just passed Junction City, Kansas, so not that far. I just want the record to reflect that Will has strawberry jelly on his sandwich.
Well, we've seen this before.
We've seen what before?
Reruns.
We've seen what before? That you had strawberry jelly on your sandwich?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. That's what we saw?
Yeah.
We saw that?
Yeah. I thought that was great, but he took too long.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Whatever. We have been driving for about 6 hours, still in Kansas. We got a couple of more hours to go before we make it to Colorado Springs. And we're just stopping for gas, stretch our legs, get ready to go. So we'll see you guys in a little bit.
Hey, there's the welcome to Colorado time. I just really wanted to get the welcome center. You know, it's coming up. So, you can officially say we're in Colorado. Colorado. I don't know if that's it. I think that was it back then. So we're in Colorado. Yeah, there's Lincoln Street. Oh, people are familiar with that. Hey, yo, hit that like. Super Marley Brothers.
We are in Colorado Springs. So there's the mountains in front of us, and we'll be to our destination shortly, but we're here. It's beautiful.
What a mixture of emotions. So happy his magic was real. So sad he can't control it.
Exit right.
Or if I really wanted to be dramatic, it would be in a plane.
Turn right.
I was fresh and no room for my
All right, we are in room 123 at the Townplace Suites. Oops, sorry. At the Townplace Suites. So you guys see I've already been in here because I had to come wipe it down before we came in. Basic bathroom. Actually got a shower curtain this time instead of the glass doors, which works better for me. But anyway, nice big closet. So nice spacious closet, desk, so working area, and the pull-out sofa, and the bed area over here. So it's gonna be a little crowded for us, but we'll manage. We ain't gonna be here very much anyway. The TV, which is always kind of weird because it's bed's over there, sofa's over here, so everybody's kind of figure out how to watch TV together. And then we have a small little kitchenette with a microwave, stove, refrigerator, and a dishwasher. So not huge, but not too bad. We've just got a view of the bushes because we're on the first floor. So, but other than that, everything is pretty cool. So I dig it. I'll show you guys around in a minute. Okay, so the Townplace Suites, I'm leaving out of our building, but I wanted to show you. They actually have a little patio out here with a grill and a little patio section where you can borrow the utensils, and they give you seasonings if you need it, but you have to bring your own meat and do some grilling. They have a pool that's open, but only by reservation. So you have to go to the front desk and get your time slot. And they're running about 50 minutes per family right now to give 10 minutes for you to get out and safely social distance for the next family to come in. So this is what the outside of the building looks like. And this is how far we are from the mountains over here. So we're gonna unpack and get settled in and then head on over to dinner in a little bit. Hey guys, we are in the car headed to dinner. We are going to the airplane restaurant. It's an actual airplane restaurant, so we'll show you when we get there.
Bread. Look at that street bread though.
The freeway just ended and turned it into a street.
Street bread. No McGriddles.
Whatever. Anyway, so we're on our way here. I just thought it was funny. Like the highway just ended and it just became a street.
In the hood, yo.
What'd you say?
I said, it's a liquor store up there, liquor store, gun store, crack house. Hood.
Whatever.
We're by the Martin Luther King bypass. You know that is the hood state line, basically.
Yeah, true. The Martin Luther King bypass is the hood state line.
No doubt.
Whatever. Street definitely got rougher over here.
I give you Exhibit A.
They're talking to you.
We saw deers where we were.
Yeah, it was like y'all. We left out of our hotel parking lot, and Damon was like, "Is that a live deer over there on the sidewalk?" And it was like, "Can't be. I mean, it's a business over there." No, it was a buck and a doe over there walking down the sidewalk. I'm not talking to you anymore today.
That's David.
We have arrived.
Turn left and then turn right.
No.
Nope.
You get Cecil in that shot. You get Cecil in that shot.
We are here. We've arrived to the airplane restaurant.
Why would you say you better than me? Why?
Rolls-Royce Viper engine.
Yeah, come baby.
This is so cool. Oh my gosh. I like it. What's today?
Hey, how's it going?
Hello.
Oh, good.
Video. Sorry, I'll be back.
Okay. 4.
Would you like to sit upstairs in the plane or downstairs?
Upstairs in the plane, please.
The plane.
The plane.
You got it.
Thank you.
Right. You go.
They do that on Friday. They do that on Friday. Got a couple steps here.
Watch your step.
Yeah, I will support. It's like apple. This is our very own KC-97. This plane was built in 1953, and it served in the Texas Air Guard as a refueler from 53 to 63, and stayed flying all the way up until 1978. Over here is the boom operator station. This is where the boom operator would transfer fuel from this plane to planes outside, usually fighter planes that were flying missions. This is pretty much how their station was. They laid on what was called the ironing board. You look out that window and they would actually line up the boom, which we actually just acquired one a year ago. It's sitting out on the lawn there. Eventually it's going to be reattached.
Oh wow, that is so cool.
Alright, well we pretty much can, it's pretty much up to you guys. We can sit you towards the front or towards the back or in somewhere in the middle.
Front, back, or in the middle?
It's up to you.
In the middle's fine.
Okay. Get your note and mine. Right up here.
Alright.
Alright. And the flight attendant will be with you all in just a moment.
I'm sorry, who will be with me in just
Your
a moment?
flight attendant.
Thank you.
Alright. Or your co-pilot, depending on what she likes to be referred to.
Thank
Feel free to sit on in and we'll get you all going. Enjoy
Okay.
your flight.
Thank you. So here's our menu.
And then what you think about the pork fries, Damon?
It's an old newspaper. Here's our menu.
What is this like? Cheese sticks.
So here is the
Shrooms.
menu.
Wait a minute.
Feel free to
Got
pause
shrimp
at
in
any
it,
point.
lobster. Got it.
Feel free to pause at any point. If I'm going too fast for you guys.
I got
But this is
air
the
tower
menu.
nachos. What's a barrel roll?
It's like a chicken quesadilla, deep fried and served with avocado sauce.
You got that like? What? It's got chicken in it. A barrel roll.
Alright.
Appetizer.
Contact tracing and phone number.
Will.
Will,
Yep.
and a phone number, please.
816.
You know, that phone's, I have a face made for radio.
He told us that we snuck by TSA.
Yeah.
Once we got up here, they needed our information for contact tracing. We were just informed we were having dinner in the Virgin Islands.
know I'm getting chicken wings.
Cool. I'm sorry, say that again.
This is the first plane built with an elevator and upper and lower deck pressurized.
Oh, wow.
Sweet potato sticky fries.
Thanks for flying with us.
Thank you. I didn't show you guys the back of the menu, my bad.
Baked potato with cheese, bacon, and green something. And come in there. They do have baby red ribs too. I'm gonna try to get this.
We got the barrel rolls. These look, and they smell amazing. I haven't tasted it yet.
Yeah.
And then we got the stuffed mushrooms. Again, haven't tasted it yet, so I don't know what it tastes like. But I wanted to show it to you before they were all gone.
Kind of charged with that.
It's ranch.
Is it? Don't look like ranch.
I don't think it looks like a spicier sauce than ranch. How is it?
Good.
No, please. I'm gonna try the.
Like that little jalapeno kick there. Slight hint
Trying to
of
get my
jalapeno
fork
juice.
out of my napkin. Y'all, I'm sorry. The camera was everywhere. I was trying to get my fork out of my napkin so I can tell y'all how to stuff mushrooms.
You don't understand, I think it's hot.
I'm eating it.
But it's hot.
I can blow on it and eat it like most dads can. Pizza! How's she blowing on it, eating it? Everybody's throwing the kids in the pizza.
Here we go.
Honey's on his second slice.
Yep, that's good stuff. Right, we'll get back. Damon got a burger with blue cheese on it. How's your burger?
Your left hand.
I do that every time.
How's your burger?
Every time.
Every time, how's your burger?
It's good.
Will got a steak, but he got a special steak. He got a.
The special is buffalo.
He got buffalo steak.
Where you wrong?
Buffalo. You know, we're in Colorado, so eating buffaloes. Dalyn got. Your cups are in there. He got wings. Move your cups back. Got the hands. Just push the cup back. Thank you.
Buffalicious.
He got wings. And I
Buffalicious.
got catfish.
You gonna drive over?
So, yeah. So we're gonna eat and we'll see you guys in a bit. Let's got dessert. I didn't want to get any dessert. And Damon and shut up. Damon and Dalyn got raspberry cheesecake, and Will got Snickers cheesecake. They said I can't have none. They said they won't. They said they weren't gonna give me none. I didn't want my own. This is the cockpit area. You can see the cockpit back here. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not because the fan is so loud, but this is the cockpit area. So it's pretty hilarious back here.
I know, I'm sorry. Have a great evening.